Bosnian Pyramids, located near the town of Visoko, northwest of Sarajevo, are the oldest man-made pyramids found in history. Dr. Samir Osmanajek and his fellow workers have spent 340,000 man-hours on this amazing discovery, sample testing and radiocarbon dating from 2005 to 2013. Dr. Osmanajek stated, "In the summer of 2013, we analyzed a piece of organic material discovered between two concrete layers. The age was released in September 2013, and it shows 29,200 years, plus or minus 400 years. This finding confirms that the Bosnian pyramids are also the oldest known pyramids on the planet." In 2005, this amazing discovery was all over the media. The news gained a lot of negative and positive reviews. Many claimed their theories were incorrect and ignored them despite the fact that they did believe the structures were pyramids. The following 10 facts support the Bosnian pyramid theory. Number 1, historical age of the pyramids. According to analysis performed at the site, the Bosnian pyramids are about 29,200 years, plus or minus 400 years old. The radiocarbon measurements showed that the topsoil is up to 12,000 years old. The carbon dating of a fossilized leaf sheds new light on the true age of these pyramids. Number 2, cardinal alignments. The Bosnian pyramid has 4 facets, which are also found in other pyramids. But these pyramids have an access plateau to their peaks, which is quite different from other pyramids. The existence of these pyramids has been confirmed using topographic mapping and satellite imagery. Number 3, topographical alignments. The pyramids, scientifically identified as Visoko, also have alignments that are similar to each other. The structures presented a near-perfect equilateral triangle formed between the 2 facets. Setnia, which is a spot height, is the second highest peak in the area with its own 4 facets, which are designed according to cardinal points. Number 4, the age of the pyramids. According to a thorough analysis conducted by independent researchers, the Bosnian pyramids were also confirmed to be about 29,000 years old, plus or minus 400 years old. The study included radiocarbon dating. This chronicled evidence was studied and thus confirmed the existence of the pyramids. Number 5, the Bosnian Sun Pyramid. The Bosnian structure called the Pyramid of the Sun was 220 meters high, which is larger than the size of the Great Pyramid, which is about 147 meters high. Number 6, orientation. The pyramid's orientation to the north is accurate within an error of 0 degrees. All Bosnian pyramids are oriented towards the cosmic north. Number 7, publicity. The Bosnian Pyramid project was publicly shared with everyone. No secrets were kept and all the discoveries were made public immediately. It is currently open for the public to visit and explore. Number 8, energy. Researchers have found a strong energy beam coming out of the pyramids. It was electromagnetic in nature. The main arc of emission was at the top of Bosnian's Pyramid of the Sun. The radius of the pyramid was 4.5 meters with a frequency of 28 kilohertz with a strength of 3.9 volts. The beam was continuous and the strength kept increasing as it moved upward. This process is totally different from the known laws of nature, science, and technology. It is also considered as tangible proof of non-Hertzian technology on Earth. The beam, which is continually being emitted, came in regular boxes with a frequency of 9,333 hertz, with peaks up to 28,300 kilohertz. Number 9, other structures. During the analysis, a number of underground structures were found. These included chambers, lakes, labyrinths, and other rooms. Number 10, ionization. The results of energy found in the pyramid